time has come. Been waiting all day for this. The unboxing of my GoPro Hero 11 Media Edition or Hollywood Edition or whatnot. And you want to do the honors and open up the box? I don't know why Ann acting like that. She gets this stuff more than me, so she should know how to open it. And we have, this is for the batteries. I got 2 extra batteries, I believe, or 3 extra batteries, I don't know. So, yeah. Pretty cool. It's the unboxing of this. It's just the charger, because when I was doing my research on the GoPros, they said that you kind of need extra battery, because the only way you can charge it is with the battery in the camera. But with this bad boy right here, I hope it's alright, because it says Hero 9 and 10, but when I searched it said 11 too. We're going to see today. And here we are. Look at that fancy box here. Ooh, looks like a shoe box. Look at that. I just went ahead and just said, screw it, and bought the GoPro. You know. Now I'm gonna do a review on the difference of what I have now. I have a cam part right now, like a third of the price of the GoPro. But it's just some things I needed. Yeah, this is the Hero 11 Black Creator Edition, because I fancy myself as a creator, me and Ann. But yeah, this is it right here. Cool looking box. Comes with a little carrying case and all. You know. Yeah, oh, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. Spin it right here. And let's see what we got here. This is everything it comes with. Media mod, light mod, the Volta, and the black, yeah. New battery, look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Fancy stuff here. Fancy stuff here. Oh, I'm sorry, Ann, go ahead. I guess I'm taking too long.
No, I know you like to keep the boxes, so I don't want to. I'm trying to see. Oh, right here at the bottom.
Oh yeah, like Ann said, I do like to keep boxes. That's basically for resale value. If you ever decide to sell anything, you can get most of your money, if not all, back if you still have the box in good condition. Yay!
Got a little fancy case.
That's a nice little case, yeah. I mean, for the price.
I'll let you open it.
For the price you paid for it, you know. Yeah. All right, let's open this bad boy up. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is my hard-earned money. Me and Ann bought this. Look at all that stuff it comes with. Guess it's going to tell you how to get on the thing and stuff.
Just a little quick guide. No, you want to show them all that.
So yeah, this is all the fancy little thingy things. That's the light mod. That's the media mod. That's the fancy tripod. But see, this is good here because when I did my research, this is good here because this actually acts as an extra battery life. So they said that with this and the battery, you should be able to record for 4 hours straight, which is a lot of hours recording because mostly we stop, go, stop, go, stop, go when we're doing stuff. But yeah, 4 hours straight charging that bad boy up. So yeah, like I said, the GoPro is about the size of the one I have now. So this is gonna be pretty nifty. But yeah, I like the case. The case is pretty cool. Looks like it's hard and weatherproof and all that other stuff.
Oh, those are your fancy.
And there's all my fancy little gadgets and stuff in here. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the Hero Black 11 Creator Edition. So yeah, I just want to do a quick unboxing with you guys and just show you my new toy, and so we can get some real great footage. So guess I'll catch up with you guys later once I do the review and see how this one looks compared to my other one. Okay. Thanks for watching.